Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and also on the previous day also, because yesterday we had not posted any video presentations. Let us see what happened, that is on 18th. So what we expected, really expected on that is exactly on Thursday. What we expected, that is on Wednesday, what we expected is that we expected the market to continue its uptrend. So if you can go back and see our Monday presentation about our trading strategies for this week, we strongly believed that the market will take some support around 422, 423.5. These are the zones where we expected the market to have some strong support, and also around 426. So that was our weekly plan. So what happened on 18th was that, so on the previous day the market came down sharply. You can see that after testing 427 too many times, that is on 17th, after testing 2 times, there was a good drop in the market, and it is a very sharp drop also. The market came down and tested 422 and closed just above 422. So that caused a clear doubt that whether the market can move higher or it can go down. So but what it happened on the next day was that the market just opened above this previous day's closing, and initially the market had taken a clear resistance. You can see this area, it had taken a clear resistance around 423.5. If you want to know why we have marked this 423.5, go back to the previous week and see why this zone is very important. We had always explained why we had marked any support or resistance. So after breaking this, it gave a clear idea that where the price is going to move. So you can see they tried to move higher, but it couldn't sustain that. So what really happened is that it couldn't sustain that, again came down and tested this zone. So many times we had said a support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. So after what happened at the late session was that the market took the clear support around the zone and moved and tested 426 and closed near 426. So that gave a clear confirmation that the price is intact with the trend. So the next day the price opened and it is actually a spiked up opening, which means that after the price opening the market just spiked up, and that is what happened yesterday. So it is very clear, it is not just like that the market went up. You can see all the support and resistance were tested. So it is really a very good week for us, because the market, these are the things, for example, till if we have average till this 422, it is a great profit for clients who are average that. So after that also the market broke this 428, and after taking you can see the level of pressure the market had after breaking the major zones. It is a very clear breakout. So from 420 the market, you can see that it broke up, and you can see it formed a clear support, and it is a consistent buying. You can even draw a trend line. You can see that if you connect all the lows and draw the trend line, it is a very consistent buying, and the market reached the zone of, it is a very major zone, 432. If you are a copper trader, you may know that. So failure to break this 432 push the market down. So again it is coming up and testing 432. So it took the resistance here, but it was well supported around 429. You can see it was well supported around 429, and again at the end of the session also the market tried to put something above this zone of 431.5, but the important thing is it closed near 430.95. So the closing is also near the weekly high. So this is the weekly high. So what we can expect today? So there is no doubt that the market is in line with the trend, and also so many times we are saying it, we will repeat it again and again, don't go and trade against the trend. So trend is always going to be your only friend in the market. You cannot have another friend in the market. So please don't take this as a resistance and go for a selling. So always follow the trend, unless until you get a clear confirmation, don't bet against the market. So that is the reason why we waited till 422. So till why we waited till 422 for the market to break and close below that, just to get a confirmation. So that type of confirmation you should get it before going against the trend. So today also we can expect copper to move higher, but the most important thing is that the stop loss zones, where we can place a stop loss. We can move our stop loss till 424. So slowly and steadily we will be moving our stop loss higher also. So this is the zone which provided the basic momentum. So we consider this zone and we can place stop loss around 423.5 or 424. Till this zone you can go for buying, and you can also wait. Today is a Friday market, because we had made a good profit. Don't use all your exposures here. So please apply the money management techniques very properly to your need, because for the amount you have in your trading account you can go with that. And let us see what's going to happen today. And the target zone is around 436. This is the expected target zone. So if the market is very strong in the trend, what will happen is that it will break 432, and it will take some resistance around 436, and it will form a support around 432, and it will move higher. Just like that, it will not move it. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And the expected opening is, since we are posting this presentation very well in the early morning, since it is also subjected to changes based upon the COMEX price at present around 4:45 in the morning, I can say that the price opening is going to be neutral. That is, it can open around the same zone, but based upon the momentum, that is because the rupee factor, and also there is a good buying, we can expect to open bit higher also. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Today I think we don't have major news to impact the market, so purely it's going to be a technical move. So let us see what's going to happen. Happy trading, with good luck. Take care. Bye.